Okay, so we got our trail jack extensions that work on just about any bottle jack or scissor jack like this, and it also works on H1 style scissor jacks. The tube just presses over here. On your standard scissor and bottle jacks, you just got to weld the little tube to it, and then you can use the saddle or the extensions. We have our off-road jack big wheel kits here. We just came out with one for a Daytona jack, which is basically the same as the Pittsburgh jack. It just looks a little fancier and costs a little bit more. We have 1.5 ton Pittsburgh with 5-inch wheels and one with 8-inch wheels. The 8-inch wheels are better for your really soft sand, going in sand dunes, things like that. 1.5 ton is definitely the best bang for your buck. It's short, it's small, it's light, and with our extensions, it can get just about any height you like. The 2 ton is a little bit longer, a little more strength. 2.5 ton, 3 ton, definitely heavier duty jacks as well. All of them we offer skid plates for, and the skid plates help with the flotation and soft terrain, as well as adding some strength to the jack. We also just recently came out with a kit for Arcan jacks. These are like the hybrid jacks, so it's a aluminum frame, steel arm. All of the big wheel kits only fit aluminum jacks. These do not fit steel jacks because steel jacks require cutting and welding and more effort. About a year ago, I started working on this jack extension because I've always wanted to make one of these, and I kind of needed to because our old version of our jack adapter was getting discontinued, and it was time to create this new version, which we finally got done. But first, I had to figure out this new pin design for the extension. And we essentially have 2 styles. One is this thread-on or bolt-on style that works for 90% of your jacks out there. There's also this cross-pin style that works for the lighter duty 1.5 tons. The cool key to this new version of the jack adapter is it is designed more specifically to work on floor jacks. So it just drops right on the floor jack. And with these slot bars, it's easy to offset the center of gravity depending on for the support points, which works really good for front axles and transfer cases as well. So these are really adjustable, as well as the support points here swivel side to side, so they can come way over here. They are limited by the center pin. And then you've got the threaded supports all the way around, along with a wrench that we include. The wrench will let you adjust these with weight on it, and the other side can lock down the bars so nothing shifts while it has load on it. Back over to the transmission jack, we've got this little base plate adapter that uses one single bolt through the center of your jack, and then those 2 other bolts just help lock it on so this stays in line with your transmission jack so it's not moving along with it. Only one thing rotates. Lastly, we have one other cool feature about this. These pieces are threaded onto 3/4 inch all thread. This is just regular 3/4 inch all thread, and this is removable. So in case you want to try to use this for a bumper or a door, you would replace one of these with a bumper extension that we have, and then this can be combined with this guy to get you a lot more height up there. Not like that. The other thing is, leave at least 1 inch of all thread in here so it's not super sketchy. That is our new and improved 4-point jack adapter.